Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle of depression worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets on the topic of angle of depression, and we have to solve some very interesting problems. If you're not sure how to proceed, we have had a lesson on this very topic. So if you need help from that lesson, just go to the last slide, click on the available link, and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave this slide also for about a minute, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the link if you need any help.